For today, we're going to be doing like a cup dribbling on our remotes. This one was my old one. We took it apart, and now we're gonna pour the paint onto it from the cups.
Okay, everybody has their colors. What colors are you using, Thomas?
Black, white, gray, and red.
Okay, what about you, Hazel?
Black, yellow, light green, and dark green.
What about you, Max?
I'm using cyan, dark blue, light blue, white, red.
Okay, so you remember what the first step is?
No.
You get your empty cup first,
I don't.
Cup.
and then you slowly pour in your colors one at a time into the empty cup.
Okay. Should I do my dark
Don't
color
mix them.
first? Or
It
do
doesn't
my-
matter what order you want. You can do whatever order you want them in.
Okay.
So I'm going to let each kid do that, and then we'll come back. Okay, so we poured our multiple paints into one cup. And what are we going to do next, guys?
So we're gonna put the remote on top, and then we're gonna flip.
Okay,
I'm scared.
go for it.
I'm scared. How do I do this?
If you don't want to do it, Max, you can just pour it. You can just dribble it on top too. You just want to dribble it and see how that
But
works.
can I like paint it?
I
No,
wanna
no.
dribble it. I wanna dribble it. I
paint
wanna dribble
pour.
mine. Oh, it's all black. But it actually feels kind of cool.
Dad, how do I do this?
Mine all went to one side and fell off the control.
That looks very cool. But like, it's not
I
coloring.
think it's better to do it this way, like Hazel did.
Mine just fell on the thing, so now I'm just going like this.
Oh,
Hey, you pour it on that one.
wait.
Pour it on
okay.
there, Max.
So that's not what I imagined, but it kind of
Pour it on
reminds me of
there.
Billie
Here.
Eilish.
Hey,
Really, I
pour it on there.
That girl with the green in her hair. But I kind of forgot her name.
Not too much though, okay? On this one too.
Dad, look how cool that looks. Wait, hold on, Dad. Can you hand me that straw so I can blow it around?
Look how cool this looks, Hazel.
Whoa, that looks so cool, Max.
Let me see.
Yeah. Hey, what time is it?
I don't know.
I'm gonna check on Alexa and I'm gonna get a straw so I can do that.
Wait, I think we should do yours a little bit different, Max.
Right after this, I might have to like go to like Audrey. Put this. Yeah.
So look, Max, look, you can pick it up, your controller. We have to get a little bit messy at this part. We're just gonna like
Hold on.
let it slide.
Okay.
Let it slide.
I already have a
My
little.
story. I'll check what time it is. I have to be at Audrey's birthday party today, or else she's gonna be so sad that I'm not there.
Oh, what time?
3 to 6, so I can arrive anywhere between 3 to 2. Yeah.
1:11.
Okay, good. Oh, I thought it was like 3 or something. I'm so scared.
Hazel, look at my hand.
want to be able to get some.
Okay, so here's Hazel's, Thomas's, and Max's. Stay tuned for part 2.